Here is my double fold Scary Cute card. It's basically 2 cards and you add the front card to the top. Super cute. So here's the Scary Cute bundle. You've got these fun little trick-or-treaters and some bats and a moon and dies to go with it. A little tip is with little dies like these bats, I just stick some washi tape on them to keep them together and from getting lost, and it's easier to cut when they're like one piece. And you've got this cool banner right there. So for this card, I started off with a basic black card base, and it is 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2 and folded in half. The second card is skinnier. It's 4 inches wide and 10 1/2 tall, and it scored at 5 1/4 and 2 3/8. So you're just going to fold, and then you're going to fold this back over, and that's going to create this double fold for your card. So you're just going to decorate this. So this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8, and just going to adhere this. This is the black and white designer series paper, and it comes in a multitude of patterns. You've got this stripe pattern, and you've got a polka dot pattern. You also have a star pattern, a diamond pattern, an equal stripes pattern. So this piece down here is 3 7/8 by 2 1/4. Okay, so now we can put the second card onto the first card. And then we can start decorating. So starting to decorate, I used the mesh ribbon, super fun, and I just wrapped it around the card and tied a knot and then a bow. So you can measure out how much you want, probably about that much. And then I always tie a knot first, it just makes it easier. I'm just going to tie a knot here. And then you can tie a spooky bow. This ribbon is perfect for Halloween projects and any kind of project where you need some fun mesh ribbon. Okay, next I'm going to add some spooky elements. So I've cut these out of the dies, and then I'm going to add the cat as well. So I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid adhesive, bring this all right here, and then we'll add this spooky cat and this spooky trees, and I'm using basic black and parakeet party. I think the parakeet party is really a cool looking green for Halloween. So I will just add this on top. So these are from the dies. And then we will add the spooky cat on top as well. Then I'm going to grab some dimensionals, and we're just going to put a couple on here. And then we're going to add this right up here to the card. And then we have our spooky cat ready to go. And then for the front of the card, we're gonna add some of the trick-or-treaters using the Stamparatus. So I've got my Stamparatus here, and I'm gonna use this strip that's 2 inches tall. And the reason why I'm using the Stamparatus is because I want the trick-or-treaters to be super, super dark. Whoops, so I'm gonna lay them down here. Maybe I'll put that one like that. And then this one. So I can do all 3 at once. So I'm just gonna pick them up with my Stamparatus, and then I'm going to ink them up with the Memento Basic Black. And I'm going to stamp it probably about 3 times. to get the black. So you see there's the first time, and I can see there's something on this first one. So I'll try and wipe that off. And then we'll do it again. You see how they're getting darker? So you can get deep, rich colors when you use the Stamparatus because you can just keep adding color to your stamped items. So I think probably one more time. Yes, doesn't that look awesome? It looks so crisp and black. I love it. So next I am going to cut these out, but with the magic of television, I already have them all trimmed out. I just need to do a little more trimming down here. There we go. And then we'll add these with dimensionals. I also have some of this fun glitter washi tape. So I'm gonna add the parakeet party to the bottom. It's always hard to find where it ends, especially this one. Okay, there we go. So you can just tear off what you want to. And then this time I'm just gonna wrap it around the whole. Actually, no, I'm not gonna, I'll cut it. Okay. Okay, so I can just trim off the two sides, and that adds some fun little Halloween bling to my card and kind of brings the parakeet party down so it coordinates. And then I'm just gonna add some dimensionals to my trick-or-treaters. And you've got purple and black and orange washi tape, so much fun. Okay, and then I have Frankenstein burst, and then we have our lovely Tinkerbell, and then we have our vampire. So cute. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna stamp a little trick or treat. And we're gonna use the black again. And we're gonna cut this out so we can add it to both sides. So go ahead and just stamp the whole thing. And then we're gonna cut it in half. And we're just going to cut around it, which is pretty easy because it's pretty straight. Okay, and so we've added on Trick or Treat, You're So Sweet. And so that is my double fold card. I'm offering a card class when you purchase the Scary Cute bundle, which includes 2 cards of each of these 3 designs. Just go use my current host code when you purchase and email me and let me know that you would like the Scary Cute kit, and I would love to send it right out to you. If you liked my fun video, please make sure to comment and like the video, and also to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video.